Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. So this is gonna be the last video of this particular section, but this is not gonna be the last video of this website because there are some things that we need to do. Let's suppose that you want to add brands for a particular product. Like let's suppose that we are catering with the desktop, you're catering with the mobile and the clothes. And for the mobile, you can see that we have added the Apple, Huawei, and Samsung, and we added these as the subcategory. While they are not the subcategory, they are actually the brand. So let's suppose that if you need to create another thing specifically for the brand, so there should be a brand option, and the person can select brand from the product page itself. So for desktop, there can be HP or Apple, and other for laptops as well. And for clothing, there can be Levi's, Nike, or Adidas, or whatever the brands that your country has. And so you can cater all the brands and you can just specifically add that. And same like this, you can also add the archive pages for that, so that you can add a brand column, brand menu over here. And if someone will hover over it, then you can show all the brands over there. So that's really a great thing that you can do. So let me just show it to you what I'm telling you right now. Let's suppose that if we just open up this particular product right now, you can see that here we've got the product categories, here we've got the product tags, and we will be creating another thing that is going to be product brand. And all the brands that you will add over here, we will create another thing over here that all brands, you can just add all the brands, and then you can select that which brand is it, and then you can add a link to that particular brand in your menu. So it's going to be a great thing, and that is basically done with the custom post type and taxonomy. So basically that's the advanced part of the WordPress. And so in the next video, we will be talking about that. Now, let me tell you one thing is that if you go to the first video, I divided this course in 3 categories. The first one was the basic, the second one was the intermediate, and the third one was the advanced. So congratulations, you are now done with the intermediate WordPress design. Now in the next video, we will be just working with the custom post types, advanced custom fields, and a lot of things, and then you will become the complete WordPress designer. So stay tuned guys, and let's start the custom post types right now.